Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing of this bag, the Polène Umi bag. It is a beautiful shoulder bag or crossbody bag from Polène, Paris. I pre-ordered it maybe in November, and it came in December. I was very excited. I've seen these Polène bags all over YouTube. Um, but unfortunately, I actually returned it. And so I just wanted to share the quick unboxing. I can't do a full review because I didn't keep the bag, and I'll share why. One thing I do want to note is that the unboxing experience was very lovely. It was great. The bag arrived via DHL. The box, as you can see, is very beautiful, comes in tissue paper. It's very well protected, which is a fantastic experience, especially when you're buying something coming from overseas. You know, it's not a cheap bag. It's a little under $500, so you want it to be well protected and get to you in great shape, which it did. That's not why I returned it. It came in this dust bag, which everyone raves about. It's very soft on the outside, but it actually was kind of rough on the inside. So I was thinking, oh, it would actually be smarter for this dust bag to be reversed. So that soft part is actually what's touching the bag. I bought the Umi in the camel color. It was gorgeous, and I switched lighting so you could see it a little better here. But beautiful leather. It's pebbled, very soft, lovely leather. Zipper was a little bit stiff, as you can see. Came fully stuffed, had all the lovely tags and everything like that. Hardware, gorgeous. Nothing wrong with the bag in particular. It was just when I tried it on, and I don't have any mod shots, I kind of knew immediately I wasn't going to be keeping this bag. It just wasn't my style. I couldn't see myself like wanting to pick that up over other bags that I own. And I ended up getting myself a top handle APC bag instead, which I love so much, and maybe I'll share. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. The camel leather is super lovely. The details are lovely. There's so many videos, or quite a few videos, on Polène bags, and I think all of them are pretty accurate. It's just this bag wasn't my style, and yeah, I don't want to add something that isn't going to be used and loved. So I decided to return it. Unfortunately, international returns, you do pay for shipping back. So I missed out on 20 bucks on this to ship it back to them, and still waiting on the refund. I've heard that the refund process tends to be pretty slow with them, but regardless, it's fine. And I'm glad that I finally tried them out. I don't think there's any other styles of Polène bags that I want to try. So that's it.